32, meditation on monasticism and priesthood. At the moment of death, the renunciant is more serene. Others often have many other worries. What will my child do? How will he go to school? What will he live on? And what will become of my wife? How will my elderly husband survive without me? My young wife will probably end up living with another man. Aren't troubles such as these exactly what we can do without at the moment of death? In many countries, the father is the family's only breadwinner. If he dies, his widow finds herself destitute and often wonders how she is going to survive. If she has children, her situation is even more critical. Words to meditate on. I'm not sure how those relate.